We are going to pick up an apple bead. We are going to sew through one of the holes. Pull your thread, and we are going to use a piece of thread. It doesn't have to be a big one, it's just to make knots. We are going to pick up 4 15/0, 1 3mm, and 3 15/0. We are going to skip the 3 15/0 and we are going to sew up through the 3mm bicon. We are going to pick up 4 15/0 and we are going to sew through the open hole of the Fava bead. We are going to pick up a 3mm and an Fava bead, and we are going to sew through the Fava bead. We are going to pick up 4 15/0, 1 3mm, 1 wire guardian. So back through the second hole of the wire guardian. We are going to close our wire guardian. And we are going to sew back through the 3mm. We are going to pick up 4 15/0 and we are going to sew down through the Fava bead. Pick up a 3mm bicon and we are going to sew down through the Fava bead, and we have our earring done. The last thing we are going to do is we are going to reinforce 3 or 4 times. And we have our earring done. Now we are going to put the earring hook, and I haven't cut the threads because for my earring I'm going to reinforce one more time, so I recommend to reinforce 3 times. Close your earring hook and your earring is done. It turned out great. I really like these earrings.